welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. If you realize, I actually didn't do one last month because the month before I was just so disappointed with it. The inconsistency and the fact that it takes so long to get here, and sometimes it arrives quickly, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it has a leaflet in, sometimes it doesn't. It's just a mess. So I was so done with it, and the video was very short because again there was no leaflet and I could not find the page on their website, so it was a mess. This also doesn't look that great. It's a very like short box, you know, usually the much bigger, so I feel like I think it's a pouch, you know, for summer vacation, whatever. We will see. And also something new I do this time, I have 5 things that I got in previous LookFantastic boxes that I will give you a short review on, just so you have something more to watch, you know, and not just me unpacking this and there's absolutely no further information. So if you want to watch the review, stick until the end. I think I will put a timestamp in the info box. But without further ado, let's open this up. Oh, and for reference, we are the 12th July. So it arrived rather quickly. And if I look tired, it is because Italy won the Euro last night and I didn't sleep much. Not because I was celebrating, I mean I was, but because people kept honking until I don't even know when, and it's great. We won and I'm so excited. Okay, so anyways. Oh my god, thank god. Yes, a leaflet. And I told you, it is a pouch. This is actually kind of cute. Okay, so this is what's inside the box. Oh, that pouch is really cute. Will I keep it? Probably not. I might do a giveaway with this. Oh no, but this is cute. Has a handle, like a see-through front, so you know what products you have. This is nice. Okay, so let's open it up. I saw this and I want to see what it is. Beyond Liquid Highlighter. And oh my god, we had this one. This by Elemis. We had that one in the powder form. Well, I had that one. I think there were different products that you could get, you know, either this highlighter or something else, and I got the highlighter. And I recently finished that one up. And this is now liquid highlighter. Let me see. Oh, that was too much. Oh. Do you see how blinding this is? Oh. Blends up very nicely though. And gives you a nice, like for me, it gives me a bit of a tint. It could almost be a little too orange, but if I blend it in correctly, I might be able to use this as a bronzer as well. Yeah, but we had this one before. Like I said, we had this one before in a powder form, and I really like using this. I mean, you can tell I've blended out as best as I could, and it gives you a nice glow for me on my skin tone. So I would probably use it as a bronzer. The Elemis Beyond Liquid Highlighter. A liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brand's infamous Beyond Highlighting powder that will give you a striking strobe-like glow. Mix into your base makeup for natural luminosity or apply directly to the high points of the face for a champagne glowy finish. That's exactly what I would do. I think, you know, I told you I have a foundation that I don't really use, so I think I will mix it in with the foundation. I hope it gives me a nice glow. This is nice. This is the first product and I'm very excited about it. We have this is on the same page. This is a Revlon lipstick in rose wine. Ooh. I actually ordered a bunch of lip products from a Korean website, so maybe I should not have done this because now my collection is growing. Anyways, let's open it up. I love the fact that the top is see-through. And ooh, can you tell? I think so. This is nice. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's see. Doesn't taste like anything. Oh, that color is beautiful. Goes on so smoothly. It's like butter. I love it. This is so beautiful. A creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural color to your palette, infused with a liquid silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look that is long-lasting and doesn't crack or flake. That's very comfortable on the lips. I like it. Really like it. So 2 out of 2. We're doing it. Then next we have this one. Ooh. Star Skin VIP 7-second luxury all-day mask. 71 Miracle Skin mask pads. Okay. I don't know how well you can see that. So, massage, exfoliator, toner, serum, moisturizer, mask, and makeup primer. Oh my god. So I will definitely do a video on this because this sounds interesting. So let me remove the lipstick from my hand because I almost got it on my pants. A miracle 7-step skincare regime in one hand pad that combines Starskin's famous 7-second morning and overnight masks. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for quick but effective skincare. Massage the textured side of the pad all over the face. Flip over and complete skincare step by swiping the smooth side over the skin. Ooh, I'm very excited. I'm very intrigued. Love it. Okay, then we have this. The Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. A priming moisturizer that leaves skin with dewy glow. Can I smell this? No. I'm gonna open it anyways. You know, these little seal things and long nails. It's not a good combo. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Beige. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, that smells good. It smells a bit like roses. Is there some rose extract in here? Kombucha, ginger, and green tea seed oil. Okay, there's absolutely no rose scent, but it smells good. Want dewy, glowy skin? Who doesn't? This Elemis Priming Moisturizer is here to give you smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams. Blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer, a primer, or as a natural base. So all in one. I'm here for it. Then, second last product. Oh my god, this is for my hair. Oh my god, I'm gonna use this. Because the idiot in me said, if Italy wins the cup, I'm gonna dye my hair blue. Not yet, but I will do it today, so this might come very handy. So anyways, this is the Grow Gorgeous Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. Spray onto towel dried hair, comb through and style as usual. It feels very luxurious, for whatever reason. Okay, the pump also looks nice. Let me smell it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It smells a little like a cologne, but I like it. A protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, color fade, and external aggressors. Vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or silicones. Especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. So you just apply it all over the hair, not only on your ends, just all over. Okay, we're here for it. Then last but not least, ooh. What? Wait. The Mine 10 Body Skin Cucumber Soothe and Moisturize Face Plus Body Tan Mist. A gradual tan mist infused with soothing cucumber. Use cucumber hydrating face and body tan mist daily to build a tan or maintain your existing self-tan. I swear to god, if that... Oh, that doesn't smell good, oh my goodness. Okay, the product smells good. The plastic, not so much. It actually smells like after sun or something. Sure. You know what? I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna remove my makeup and then I will put that on and I will see if I have a result. This is so much easier, you know, you can just spray it on instead of, you know, like self-tanners where you have to rub it in and have to wait for so long. We will see. I will try that out. Oh my god. A refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer. With a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell, this gradual tanner is suitable for face and body and is perfect for that golden glow. We'll definitely try it out. So it has a cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil, and macadamia seed oil. So if you're allergic to any of that, please do not get it. Okay, so the lid. So we have the contents of the box. Then we have grapeseed oil, what it is and how you can use it. Beauty from A to Z, the travel edition. You know, like the quantity, you can take up 100 milliliters per container in your hand luggage. Golden hour, the perfect time to take that all-important selfie apparently. SPF and what else you can take with you on vacation. Is anyone really going on vacation this year? I mean, like taking the plane and traveling hours and hours to, you know, location? I'm not. Next year, maybe, hopefully. Wanderlust, behind the theme. That's, you know, the theme is Wanderlust. Double Cleansing 101, what it is, how to do it. Probably also what products to use. Then what's coming up? Ooh, August box. Okay, you have a Ciati Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Oh, that looks beautiful, actually. You have a LookFantastic and Omorovica limited edition. And you have a LookFantastic and Revolution limited edition. That's it. That's everything that's in the box. I'm actually super excited for this. You know, after... Like I said, I didn't film the video last month, which was okay. And then the one before was not that good. I'm super excited. I mean, the lipstick is gorgeous. The self tan, I cannot wait to try that one out. I'm looking forward to all of this. Oh, by the way, I have a coupon code for LookFantastic box, so if you want it, it's in the info box down below. You don't have to use it, but if you want to, I would really appreciate it. Now, for a very quick review of the other products that I had. So, I have 5 products here, and it's all skincare related. So, I'm going to start off with the one that I didn't like at all. This thing here. This is a So Echo exfoliating pad type of thing for your face, but also used for my body. Now, first off, I use it 3-4 times. It's shedding already. I know how well you can see it. It's not in foam anymore, like the shape is gone. And the thing is, this elastic is so hard to use, like it constantly slips off and it rotates and it's terrible to use. I hate it. So even if you just put it around your fingertips here, it slides off. Terrible to use. It doesn't really, like, it's a very gentle exfoliator. And I think that's also what it was sold as, you know, like a gentle exfoliator for your skin. But I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not, how should I say it? It's not exfoliating enough for me. And I have very sensitive skin, but this is definitely not it. So I will sadly get rid of it. I mean, it's a nice idea. You know, you have this as an exfoliator. You don't really need to buy an actual exfoliator, but I hate it. Then 2 more skincare products. This I've actually been using, which is why it's still wet. This one as well. Hair. Okay. This is, I think, by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I'm not really sure. And then this one is a Cognac Sponge. Got that one ages ago. Now, actually, was very close to get rid of it, but then I kept it. They're both great. Like, I use this with my, I use with my bar of soap. You know, a cleanser is a bar of soap. I wet this, go over my soap, and then on my face. Beautiful. It has different sizes of bristles. It doesn't hurt. You know, it's silicone. It doesn't hurt. But it really deep cleans my skin. You can use it like this. You can use it like this. You can use it however you want. It's nice. And also gets into all the little wrinkles and anywhere you want it. This one is much, much more gentle. So the way I use it, I know if that's the right way. I put this under water, rinse it out, and then put a liquid cleanser on top. And I just go over my face like this. Very gentle. Nothing compared to this. So gentle. This feels like you're actually washing your face with your hands. Very gentle. I love it. And I'm kind of sad that I didn't give it as much love as it deserves, but I'm fine using it. So we'll like both of these. This again for my liquid washing soap thing, and then this for the soap, the actual bar of soap. 2 more products left. This here. I actually should have put this on like the 4th place because it's not that great. This is the Balance Me Pre- and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. A massage over the face, including eyes, and remove with warm water. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think an eye makeup remover should not sting your eyes when you get it into your eyes. Because it's supposed to remove your eye makeup. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, not get it close to my lash line? Because I have makeup there as well. The smell was okay. Not my favorite, definitely not. It did take off the makeup, yes, but if you get it into your eyes, no. Please, it hurts so much. Also, it leaves a very weird residue, which I also don't like. So, I would not repurchase that one ever. This I would purchase. Oh my god. I finally used it up. This is the, oh my god, my voice is leaving me. The E-Cooking Peeling Mask. That makes you look like Mr. Krabs. What is wrong with my voice? That makes you look like Mr. Krabs. I love it. It's still as aggressive as it was when I got it the first time. It smells very in your face. It makes my skin so red, but it works amazingly. My skin was so soft. Obviously, I was heated up because my face was red. My skin was soft. It got rid of all of that skin. Beautiful. I love it. And I kind of love the fact that it turns your skin so red because it's actually working. If you're not into that, don't get it. But I love it. And I would 100% repurchase that one. So anyway, that was it. That was everything I got in the box, or should I say pouch. And my review, I will keep on collecting all the products that I have from LookFantastic boxes, and I will not, like these 2 are empty. I will not put them into my empties video because you've seen this already. Okay, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and it's the next one.